Welcome back, you guys, to the Mountaintop Nature Preserve. It's always fun and exciting to see you here as we explore the Rocky Mountains together. Today, we have lots of fun and intriguing things to discover about Jesus' power and about our very awesome friend, Sierra. So, before we can get started, I have to ask you that very, very important question just one more time. Did you bring your imagination today? I sure hope so, because you're going to need it. Just like we visited Ramsey and Ava, today we're visiting Sierra. You've met Sierra, haven't you? She's a mountain lion. Well, Sierra was telling me about me being a mountain lion, and she said that she and her mountain lion friends can jump up to 15 feet in the air. That's higher than most ceilings. So, I thought that we should be able to jump and see if we can jump as high as Sierra can. You'll have to use your imagination because this ceiling is not 15 feet. But maybe I'll get to 10. Are you ready? We're going to do it together. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I don't think we made it to 15 feet. I don't even think I made it to the ceiling. You can keep trying that at home and see how high you get, but something tells me that we'll never be able to jump as high as Sierra the mountain lion. Unless we get a trampoline. Maybe we'll have to try that sometime. But since we're learning about Sierra and the mountain lions, I think you know what time it is. I think it's time for Preserve Power Point of the Day. Today our question is, which is stronger in a mountain lion like Sierra? Do mountain lions have a stronger sense of smell? Or do they have a stronger sense of hearing? Now would be a great time to pause your video and get your supplies ready for what you're going to vote for. If you think that mountain lions have a stronger sense of smell, go ahead and pour the water into your container. If you think that mountain lions have a stronger sense of hearing, you can go ahead and put the food right in the container. Great job. Are you ready for the answer? Drum roll, please. Mountain lions have a stronger sense of hearing. Isn't that crazy? I actually learned that mountain lions have a pretty weak sense of smell, and they rely on their sense of hearing to find their food. Pretty cool, right? Mountain lions are pretty bold creatures, and today our Science-y Fun Gizmo is going to teach us about being bold. So our Science-y Fun Gizmo today is something called a bold blaster. Now, first we got to try it out, right? It's just, you just have your bold blaster and you're just gonna drop it. It's kind of a dud, wasn't it? Didn't really bounce very high, wasn't very bold. But you know what? I just realized I forgot something. We have a power pad for our bold blaster. Let's see if this works a little bit better. If you're trying this at home, make sure that you keep this an arm's length away from you. Don't look over top of it, and make sure none of your family members are looking over top of it either. Are you ready? Wow, that was a lot bolder. You can use this at home and experiment with it. A couple ideas are, you can see if the little plastic piece, if it's on the bottom or if it's on the top, if that changes how it bounces. You can see how high you can get it. You can see what happens if you start from lower. Oh, my ball kind of landed funny. And you can see how far away from you can get it. It's a lot of fun, and I hope that while you're playing with your bold blaster, you remember that Jesus' power makes us bold. Trust Jesus. That's right. I'm so glad that you guys joined me today as we visited Sierra in the Rocky Mountains, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.